Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to add text effects on a photo using Snapchat. So open up Snapchat. Okay, now you can just choose any kind of photo if you want by clicking on the gallery icon, and you can see I've just selected this photo, and just you need to tap on three dot on the top right side of your screen. You can see now you can select edit snap. Now you can see that these are all the options available, so you need to tap on text T icon, so which means it's text, right? Now you can just choose your text style by sliding. So I've chosen autumn theme and I'm gonna write something. Let's suppose holiday it is, and you can place your text wherever you want, and you can share the snap wherever you want. So in this way you'll be able to add text effect in any kind of photo in Snapchat.